What's up, guys? LL here from handmadeandbeyond.com, coming at you today to answer a quick question from a real-life Etsy seller. I'm going to dive in and tackle this question today for you so you can help grow your handmade and Etsy business and get more out of your website, get more out of your e-commerce store, get more traffic and sales, because that's the ultimate goal, right? Without further ado, let's dive in. All right. So John asks, I already have 30 plus listings. I make framed chalkboards and dry erase boards. I have a lot of interest in 5x5 frames. I noticed that other businesses will list a lot of sizes under one listing. I was thinking of posting all square frames under one listing. Is it a good idea, or should I make all separate listings? I have pretty good sales, so the listing fees don't bother me. Okay, so this is a really good question, and it's something that a lot of sellers struggle with. If you have different variations of a product, different sizes, different colors, just different attributes in general, you really have to consider, do you want to include all that in one listing, or do you want to break out your listings into multiple listings? So you can do both, and there's advantages to doing both. The advantage of putting everything in one listing is if someone lands in that listing, they have the options right there, and they're bound to find what they want right there, and they won't leave. The disadvantage is you're only going to have one listing, one set of keywords, one set of tags. So that could be a disadvantage because, as you may or may not know, the more keywords you have, the more chances of being found you have. The more quality, put this way, the more quality keywords relating to your item, the more relevancy you'll have, the more chances of being found. So if your variations are very close, it may make sense to put it in one listing. But if you have multiple audiences that you can target, and you're targeting, you have a square chalkboards and then you have round chalkboards. I mean, those are completely different keywords, and that's, someone could be looking for a square chalkboard and not be looking for a round chalkboard at all. So if your keywords are related to like a round chalkboard and you have the square options in there, it may be better just to do two separate listings where you have the square chalkboards and the round chalkboards. Another thing that you can do is do both. So you have one listing where you have all the different variations in there, and your keywords are related to round chalkboards, but you still have the square options in there. That's fine. Your keywords are going to be related to the round. So if someone lands in there from a round standpoint, they may see a square one and want to buy that instead. But chances are they're probably coming to you for looking for a round chalkboard. You can do another listing with the same options, and you change your keywords to target square chalkboards, and then you have the round options in there. So you're targeting to both audiences and giving both options in there, but you're breaking it out, so you're targeting more people, if that makes sense. Hopefully that answers your question there as far as that goes. So there's multiple ways to do it, depending on what you're selling, depending on what variations that you guys have. All right, guys, hopefully you got a quick win out of that answer to that specific question. If you need more help, more support, more resources to grow your Etsy and handmade business, I would love to have you as part of the Handmade and Beyond community. You can join below. There's a link below for a 30-day free trial. You can go in, test drive everything, get all the resources, get access to the help forum, get access to the live monthly coaching, get access to the masterclass courses to grow your business, get more traffic, get more sales, but most important, get the support that you need so that you don't feel alone and you have a place to go anytime you need help, need your questions answered, or just want to run something by me. I would love to have you, and I would love to work with you. Click on the link below. Talk to you guys later.